Welcome to the Diesel and Heavy Equipment program at Northeast Tech's Afton campus. This program gives students the hands-on training and technical knowledge to succeed in this high-demand industry. Students begin by building a strong foundation in safety, hand and power tool use, and measurements, preparing them for the complex systems they'll work with throughout the program. From there, students gain in-depth experience diagnosing, repairing, and maintaining diesel engines, including engine disassembly, lubrication and cooling systems, cylinder heads, pistons, and fuel systems. They also study air induction and exhaust systems, engine brakes, and emission controls. In addition to engines, students master the systems that keep trucks and heavy equipment operating safely. This includes hydraulic and air brakes, steering and suspension, transmissions, drivetrains, differentials, and power takeoffs. They also learn to perform preventive maintenance inspections of the cab, chassis, tires, and wheels. Completers of this program are ready to begin rewarding careers as diesel engine repair technicians or preventive maintenance inspection technicians, keeping the engines, vehicles, and equipment that move our world running strong. Drive your career forward and enroll in Northeast Tech Afton's Diesel and Heavy Equipment program today.